Hey guys, it's Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, where we carry the largest selection of wood flowers in the United States. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I promise not to go on and on and on at the beginning because we got a lot to do. 3 super fun, quick, easy gifts all in a row. 1 video, 3 gifts. Let's do this. It's gonna be a ton of fun. The first gift idea is a book stack. I've already taken off the covers. I'm using paperbacks. I'm only gonna be using 2. I usually use 2 or 3 books. I like the paperbacks because it's easy to then just tear off the covers, but you don't have to if you don't want to. And we've done these a whole bunch of different ways. So if you're looking for other ideas of how to make a book stack, we have some here on YouTube, some on Facebook, and some on TikTok, I believe. So let's jump into it. Let's make this lovely book stack. Quick, easy gift. And plus, again, books, you can get them super cheap if you're just doing this for a decorative piece, or you could, there's other ways to make these so it's not so permanent and then they can enjoy the book as well as the flower topper. Again, another video for another time. All right. I promised I wasn't gonna go really long on these intros. Next one I won't. This one a little long. Okay, time to do this. Gift number 3, get yourself an adorable mug. You can put other things in this mug too if you want to, but what I'm going to be doing is creating a small little bouquet to go in the mug that then can be taken out and put into a different vase at some point, and then they're left with that cute little mug. I think I might make the tiniest little bouquet that I've ever made. I think I'm only going to use this particular greenery. I did also have some faux like pine that kind of hangs. Maybe we'll grab 2 stems of this. Just kind of flank it on both sides. Let's see how that looks on our little mug. The little guy's flipping off on this. Oh, that's so cute. He's so happy. They look like little earrings. The little... I don't think that's what we're going for. I'm gonna just kind of squish these in. Mix them around with the other faux greenery. Okay, lovely. Now I have some dried baby's breath. Our greenery base is set. Now I do need to take my hands off of this, so I'm gonna grab something real quick. Just grab some bind wire, which is a very flexible wire that we can wrap around this. So I have something to hold on to while I go and get the flowers for this lovely piece. Okay, that's holding together. Pop it in our cup again. See how it's looking? It's looking pretty dang fancy to me. Oh my gosh, I love it. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to gently take this out of the cup and kind of hold on to where the flowers are at, making sure they stay put. We're gonna grab a little bit more of the bind wire. Okay, so that is set. And now what we're going to do is grab just a little bit of ribbon to fully finish this off. I'm just gonna wrap down. I'm gonna leave a couple of the stems poking out just because I want to. And for this one, I am going to glue it in place. Now it's all glued into place. We'll put them back in our little container. He looks so cute. Look at that cute little deer floral piece. If you did want a little extra stability, you can put like tiny little piece of pool noodle, some little foam in there to hold it in place so it's not rocking around in there, or make it even a little bit shorter, which I'm actually now debating on doing. Might as well, so it's not rocking on those little stems. So we're just gonna not use our scissors. Goes in. There we go. And now it's sitting nice and snug in there. Look at that adorable mug. All right, you guys, there you have it. We did not one, oh, not two, and I'm out of hands, but three absolutely lovely, quick, easy, beautiful gifts to give somebody this holiday season or any other time of the year. I mean, the reindeer mug might not work then, but whatever, you know. So we've got the book stack, the candle topper, and a cute little arrangement to go inside a mug that can then be taken out, put somewhere else, and the mug can be used for years and years to come. I hope you guys enjoyed these tutorials. If you did, make sure to give the video a thumbs up or leave a comment down below. We love to chat with you guys in the comments. To find out about the 150 style Sola wood flowers along with craft supplies and greenery, go to ohyourlovely.com. But before you do, make sure to grab this. Use the code YouTube30 to get 30% off your first order. If you're loving these videos, can't get enough, want to know the next time that we post a video, which is usually pretty much always on a Wednesday, make sure to subscribe and we'll do it over here. Ring that bell. And until next time, you guys, I will see you for another lovely tutorial. I don't think it'll be a 3-in-1 again anytime soon, but it could be. You never know. It's the holidays. I'm feeling pretty dang gracious. We might do a couple more of these. Who knows? You'll have to subscribe to find out. Okay, I'm Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye, guys.